Eh?
You better make.
I want some of the boy when the crew man them no like man again. Can't walk and I.
a blood clot through this. Because Vice know what they know when you lick Ashley Batty, you know. And Mountains them get a video with you when Ashley Batty when your body. Jayden, you see if this is true. I mean, fuck Jayden, listen. You better make sure it's a blood clot prank. You better make sure it's a prank. Because the video, the Mountains, I'm going to drop the video. Jayden, we are lick Batty. You are the first people ever bring them blood clot you on this. Your blood clot, yo. What do your grandmother say? You remember when your blood clot, I'm trying to sit on me and boogie. And Jayden talk about it, you know. You remember when your grandmother say, oh, shit on the toilet? Jayden run with it, you know. You remember when them say blood clot? Me Francie, Jayden run with it, you know. Jayden to go in your body. You Shalom want blood clot, no. Shalom want no. Shalom want no.